how to buy Surfshark VPN. So if you want to buy Surfshark VPN, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Surfshark. After searching, you need to go with www.surfshark.com. After that, it will take you to the website. Now, if you want to buy this, then you need to go with the top right, which has Get Surfshark VPN. And from here, you can go with 24-month plan or 12-month plan or 1-month plan. And you can go with Surfshark starter plan or one plan or one plus plan. So you can simply compare all of these. You will have the price right here, and you can just simply go with get if you want to get any one of these. And here on the bottom, you will have the comparison between these three. So I'll just simply go with the first one. Now, if you click on it, it will take you to the payment method section. So first you need to enter your email address or continue with your Google or your Apple ID. And after that, you need to enter the payment method. You can choose PayPal or credit or your debit card or Google Pay or cryptocurrency. And after that, you can go with the order summary. And after adding your payment method, you'll be able to buy your Surfshark VPN. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.